React isn't the only big web framework getting attention in 2018.2. WebStorm also adds improved support for the latest Angular features. Angular CLI recently introduced ng-add, and WebStorm's UI can now use it, for example, to add a dependency for Angular material. This downloads packages and runs an on-install script called a schematic to configure into your local project. The Angular material ng-add results in several previously manual steps: styles in angular.json, modules and app module, HTML packages, and CSS changes. Next, Angular's new schematics feature can generate components, directives, services, and more. WebStorm's UI now lets you discover schematics and generate app features such as a material dashboard, providing parameters along the way.